Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's topic for the video is what is a patent, what is the cost of a patent, how to apply for a patent and granting of the patent in India, my idea and my invention. If it's an idea, it can be patented. If it's an invention, it can be patented. So what is a patent? A patent is an exclusive right granted for an invention, which is a product or a process that provides, in general, a novel way, a new way of doing something, or offers a new technical solution to a problem. The idea should be novel, exclusive and non-obvious, and must consist of an industrial application. What are the types of patent? Basically, your patent can be a plant patent, design patent, or a utility patent. Utility patent can be any process, any new machine, any new manufacturing procedure, any new composition, or any new useful improvement. Design patent either can be of ornamental jewelries, designs, articles, etc. Plant patent, cultivated sports, mutants, hybrids, and newly found seedlings. Anything that already exists in nature, natural thing, it cannot be patented. So that is an important point to note. Patent can be either in the form of an idea, a device, or a hardware, or it can be a software. What are the steps? What are the process of a patent? Firstly, you have to download the patent form number 1, form number 2, form number 3, and form number 26 from the IPR website, that is the Intellectual Property Rights. The invention disclosure, it is the first step wherein there is a submission of invention disclosure in the form. Then there is a patentability search, prior search on the whether the data or the information that you have provided already exists, whether it is pre-existing or not. Then a search report is prepared, and that search report is submitted to the inventor by the patent agent. Then you have to give then there is a reply to the same search report by the inventors to the patent agents. If there are any similar products existing, the patent will be at the spot rejected. Then there would be drafting of that patent. If it's new, if there's no existing idea, then it would be going on further for the process of drafting. After drafting, there would be filing of the patent. After filing, there would be response to the comments if there are any that are to be clarified, or any questions raised or any queries raised. And then finally the publication of the patent in the journal. And a patent is a right that is provided to the patentee for around 20 years. But this procedure may take around 18 months or so for the entire process to be completed. And if there are no objections, the final patent is granted. This is the image of how a patent looks. IPR, the Government of India, a QR code that will redirect you to the page of the patent. This is the example of the patent. This is the name of the patentee, the date of filing, the application number, the patent number. And then either you can file a patent e-patent, that is called patent e-filing in the Google search. This is the image of a form number 1 that is prepared according to the Patents Act 1970, that will be available on the IPR website. And these are the details: applicant's name, nationality, address, inventor's name, nationality, address, title of the invention, address, telephone number, mobile number, email ID. Then you have to mention about the filing patent, cooperation treaty, PCT. Then you have to give the particulars for filing divisional applications, declaration by the inventor. What are the requirements for filing a patent? You need to fill form number 1, 2, 3, and 26. These are the main 4 forms. Besides that, there is form number 5, 18, and 19 as well that needs to be kept in mind. Form number 1 is basically application form. Form number 2 is provisional information form. Form number 3 is statement and undertaking form. Form number 5 is the declaration of the same. The special information may include the description, the summary, the disclosure, as well as the background. What are the parts of a patent? Parts of a patent basically include form number 1, 2, 3, 18, 9, 26. These are the 6 forms of the patent. And in the first form number 1, there is name, address, contact details, inventor, the assignee, the details of the foreign filing. In form number 2, you give a background, description, summary, abstract, and claims. And these claims can be dependent or an independent claim. Similarly, what are the things that need to be kept in mind when you're filing a patent? The name of your invention. You need to give a name to your invention or whatever new novel thing that you have discovered. Then you have to discuss the reason for creating this invention. How did you identify the problem and what is the need of this invention? Who will use your invention? What are the benefits? What are the expected outcomes? What are the future scope? You have to mention that. And also you need to carry out the SWOT analysis, that is the strength of your invention, the weaknesses, the opportunities, and the threats. What are the materials for the invention? Materials used for final invention, and why did you choose those materials? Invention design process. You always need to talk about the design process either in the form of flowcharts, diagrams, or any other way of representing what exactly your idea is and what is the way in which it works. Did you have to change your materials? What were the testings? You need to mention everything and try to include pictures, diagrams, images, so it could be a little more interesting and a little more easier to understand. Well, and then finally, your invention would be in use, and the people would react to the same. They would use it, and you'll come to know whether your problems that you identified, the areas that had gap analysis, you finally bridged them. Did it go according to your planning? And that's all for today's patent video. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope you get to learn a lot, and whenever you're filing a patent you'll get a lot of help from this video. If you like the video, kindly like, share and subscribe, and also you can drop any of your queries in the comment section. Thank you so much everyone.